Alright, what up there, people? It is your boy. Today, we're going to be taking the same short trip I took on this bobber some time ago. But this time around, I'm going to attempt this again. Since the last time we've been out here, apparently, when we drove there, I forgot to actually hit the record button. So I only got half of the trip recorded, but pretty much we're just going some same little route where last time I was a bobber and me and my dad was picking my mom up. This time I'm going to be following my mom, pick my dad up. And I want to try to take this ride again because I've been wanting to do more videos on this bobber, but the reason I haven't, it's just this battery. Because this battery's still having issues, I always feel like something new is going to happen with it because it's still not operating the way it's supposed to. So as much as I wanted to do more videos on this bike, I just haven't been feeling comfortable doing so. So I at least want to do this one trip, or at least one more trip. So I got the bike fully charged. We're going to go out here again. Nice, 10-mile trip. Should be a nice long video. And while we hit the road, I'll talk some more about this problem I'm having and some other stuff I got planned in the future. Let's not waste no time. Let's get to it.
Like I said, I want to explain what I was talking about with this battery. I don't want to talk too much though. I kind of want this to be more of a chill drive where I just go and listen to my music. But pretty much, long story short, for the new people, the battery that's in this bike, I got scammed. I saw the battery could so-called do big numbers at a cheap price, an unrealistic cheap price, and I got scammed. No matter what the seller said, they're all lying about every single number they said. And I just never feel comfortable riding this bike. I always feel like something's new is gonna happen with this battery. It's supposed to be a 50 amp hour, so I was expecting to get a lot of miles. I can still get like 18 miles out of it, depending on how much power I'm using. If I'm using more power, more like 16 and a half. But because it's still not operating correctly and it's still cutting off early, it just always feels like it's gonna be a new problem with it, since once again it's still not working properly. So I want to do this trip again, since the last time I forgot to record this part of the video. Do a little more videos of me driving the bobber, and then after this I got some things planned. It's obvious that what I got planned is about the bobber, but honestly I just want y'all to see it, so I don't want to speak on it. I'll let y'all see it when the video is released. For now though, let's just sit back, chill, relax. A nice early morning drive. It's 8 o'clock, or no, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. Just sit back and drive, and hopefully I can sit at this red light long enough to turn my music on. Oh shoot, that is indeed a turning lane. You know it's not. I don't know. One thing I do want to say, the last time I take this drive out, I wanted to mention how I got this Sahara motor tire sealant. It worked as a sealant, it's not leaking air, but I don't think it worked very good as a balancer. I don't think the wheel wants to fall off, but it's a bit bumpy. Hey. minutes. This man's about to turn. Fuck it, I'm going for it. Alright. Then I have to use so much torque. I absolutely cannot wait, man. I just, this bike is too fun. I would like to have some fun on this thing. Just chilling at that 81. This foam is actually off. It's a little too high. It's probably really at like 80, 79. But yeah, man. Like I said, y'all already know what the future plan is about, but I don't even want to talk about it. I just want y'all to see it. I want to test it, make sure it's good, make sure I do everything right, so y'all can see it. Alright, we might kick it up in gear 2. Done 5 miles. I think we still have a good amount of battery to do so. I might not have to always pull off anyways. It's windy this way. another reason why I wanted to come out here. Apparently California is still having floods and huge rainstorms, so all that's gonna come down here to Nevada. So I'm not gonna be able to be out here anyways driving majority of my bike, so it's gonna be raining. My bikes might be fine, but I don't feel like getting soaking wet. Ooh, this thing still got that instant power though, even with this doo-doo battery in it. Like I say, I really don't know how much power this battery can handle. Handles gear 1 pretty good. That's about 75 amps. So gear 2 is about 145, and it sags a lot more. But I think it's about time I end it here. If y'all enjoyed this, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Check out my rest of the videos. I do e-bikes, and I'm out. Peace.